Ah, grasshopper. See? Woo. Forecast. Tinned. Tinned. You see how it's tinned? Not super duper awesomely tinned, but yeah. You can see how the from here up is tinned. It's perfect, right? So now, somewhere in this neighborhood, I can score it and crack all of this off, and then I'll tin the center conductor, and then I will screw this right on, and then those barrels will line, those holes in that barrel will line up with this other tin stuff, and all I got to do is just drop a little solder in each one of those holes, and it should snag right onto that bad boy right there. That's what I'm talking about, ex-driver. Now, I should be able to just theoretically slip it on. Maybe. Okay, it's gonna need both hands. Okay, I'll be right back. Alrighty. So I kind of gently twist a little bit there, look down the barrel holes, and you can see, making sure that there's like no loose stragglies from there, touching the other conductor. So now once we get it slid down far enough, screwed on, whatever, you see the braid that's been soldered is right there. All we gotta do is dribble, dribble, drip, and each one there, and a little bit there on the tip. Oops, right there on the tip, and a little bit in each hole. And bada bang, bada boom. Yeah, I got the barrel thingy right here, so I ain't gonna forget about it. Forget about it. And then I'm gonna, I got some of that sealant tape stuff. We're gonna put it on there, don't you know? Breaker.